You lot thought it was a joke, didn't ya? You thought I was playing games. I don't play football. You understand? What yoy are you two we dealing with? So we come link up the boss.
Yeah, man.
Is it?
In a real life.
What yoy, people? Yo, the people them so I only put time with they are England, so the people them just they're just waiting to see us in Jamaica fully active. You know, and everybody are comment, are you linking Sunrise? Are you linking this person? Are you linking that person? But you were a name that every episode them asked. You know, so yeah, we're there with the boss.
Yeah, and you don't know, say boss, in the kitchen we are dealing with some chicken back, you know, yardman style, you know, we are going to chop up that fine and curry it, you know, finger licking good when Sunrise done with it, you know. Boss, I make you know what I go on still. Yeah, man. I know I'm not going to tell no lie, peeps. I know it tastes good, you see it.
True. So you see with the chicken back, I've never actually used chicken back from fresh. So once you get the back, so what, we're just going to chop it?
Yeah.
Alright.
You just got to clean out the inside.
So if you look at people, so you see if you get one like the full chicken, this is the back of the chicken.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And a lot of people would use this in Jamaica, you know. Our poor people food, you know, it's food that people can buy cheap. Like Sunrise was just telling me, it used to be $50 for your pound.
Yeah, go straight.
I paid $175 for your pound. So it just goes to show you how things get more expensive over the years. But you know, this is something for you know, for Jamaicans to feed the family. You know, so you can go and buy maybe $150 worth, $200 worth for chicken back, and you got a decent meal. Do you know what I mean? So that's why I thought the first kind of, you know, one of the first recipes I wanted to do in Jamaica was curry chicken back. I know we done jerk chicken back before in England, but I wanted to do the you know what I'm saying? So this is our ingredients here. We got the chicken back, we got the curry powder. Yeah. We've got chicken seasoning. We got all-purpose seasoning. We got some Scotch bonnet. We got some onion, ginger. We got some potato. We got our scallion and thyme. And you know it was cool. I remember saying it before in a video. Anytime you buy scallion, you get thyme, said way. Cause you know why? You see, when you get scallion, sometimes you ain't got time to get thyme.
Yeah, man, fully active, man. No, so I chop, we look to chop up the chicken back here, and also we rinse out a container so we have a clean one.
Yeah. So you know when you hear that slogan there, Yardman style.
Yeah, man.
You know we're there, Sunrise Boss Place, isn't it? Yeah.
So we do it.
Alright, so you keep everything. Okay. See, I'm learning, people, I'm learning.
Yeah, man.
You know?
That's what Sunrise TV is all about, you know.
One time,
to learn.
Sorry, Muji.
Yeah, man. You're
one time I went into a shop, right, and asked for chicken back. I said, nah, bro, we don't do that. Yeah, Muji.
Just chop him up fine. Enough people when they deal with it, some chop it up extra fine, some deal with it big. It all depends how you want to deal with it, you know what I mean? But if you get a nice taste out tight, chop it up fine. So that way I do see it.
Seasoning time where I deal with people, you done see the season already, and you know what I love about this is look at the naturalness. The naturalness, look. That's what it's about. That's why Sunrise Boss does so well, because just people love to see this. You see in the garden, people in England, I'm just gonna make the whole thing look naturally like Jamaica. That's what I'm gonna do. So when we reach, you have the same vibes. Yeah, man. Steady there, cameraman. He's been on the red stripes. Bro, do you know how long it took me to open that bag of seasoning? To blow.
You understand, more time I just bust them.
Yeah, yeah.
And just throw all of them in a one container.
Yeah. Alright. So you see right now, Sunrise I deal with a scallion. I dash some all-purpose, no, this is the chicken seasoning. So. And I know old Sunrise, how much him flavour in meat, so he's well work.
Yeah, well,
yeah,
if you don't put too much everything good, yeah. It look like you don't put too much,
no.
You put the right amount.
So, all purpose. Next. That Sunrise boss.
What you say, you love pepper?
Yeah, but like pepper, yeah man.
But not too pepper.
One, yeah, one good, can boss it, yes.
Start off with that.
Oh my, that Scotch bonnet, I smelt that. See that fit, I smelt it from here. A good one that. Alright, curry powder now people.
This is the curry. Yeah. And I rub it in the season.
Yeah.
Yeah man. You gotta rub it in, rub it in the season so I like get seasoning, you know what I mean?
Cool.
Yeah. And I always say curry if you stay on plate, so that means we do a lot of curry peeps.
Sure,
curry
sure.
Yellow. Curry not for white. No, that's why it named curry.
Sure.
So for yellow. Also I put some on the meat and I'm gonna burn some.
Yeah, we're there man. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Make sure you go over to Sunrise Boss. It's right there at the bottom of the screen, right there. Go over, make sure you subscribe. Run the videos up, all heap of things. It's bare interesting stuff on there. You're gonna love it. I'm gonna be honest, it's a lot better stuff on there than Cook and Vibe at the moment. But yeah, that's why we are. That's why we're there. Sunrise. Yeah, so I've learned a new style today. This is something I never knew about before. The bar's different, man.
Yeah.
The ramp with him thing in the people. Don't play with Sunrise. He said we don't need no cooking oil, M-Dot. Which part of the cooking oil there? We don't have none. We don't need it. Look, so he put the fat of the chicken back in the pot to create the oil. So all this oil is being created from the chicken back fat.
Yes, it's coming out.
Flavour. So you know that oil already is mad. Before you even put no seasoning in it, before any, it's mad. Chicken back, you know, so the fat of the chicken is the best part.
Yeah.
Man, different with
You
him
know,
thing,
say,
man.
back in the days, like when you buy all a box of chicken back, you get a whole heap. So you used to take out the fat and fry it and get the oil. So the oil now you can fry like plantain or dumpling.
Okay.
Or, yeah.
Okay. Save money on cooking oil.
Save money on cooking oil. That's a lot of oil. You don't need no more oil than that to fry up the rest of chicken back.
Yeah.
If your food got the curry gonna come out highly.
Yeah. Yeah.
And mine sharp. If it's staying there too long, maybe I see it spring too much oil, I gotta throw out some of the oil.
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can smell it, man. Can smell it, people. If you go close to the screen, you might be able to smell it as well. I'm joking.
Yeah, you see, we're gonna burn some more curry. Do like this.
Mad. That's what I'm saying. I knew it would be a different thing when we link up Sunrise and the people. Yeah. Right now we've built oil out of chicken fat. The seasoning's going in there, so the flavours are filling up in that pot right now. It's mad.
Just put in pepper and garlic to burn it a bit.
Woyoy.
Woyoy.
Mad.
Mad move. Yeah, man, you see now? This final thing. Yeah. Yes, so just stir it up and cover it.
Woyoy.
Let the fire and the pot do the work.
So just for the sake of that, I think that oil, you see that oil little technique, techers we say in London. See them techers there. Right now, go over to stop watching the video. You can forward, go and subscribe. Now, show some respect, people. Cause it's a mad thing. The boss different with him thing. He's welcomed us into his place. It's a good vibes. Do you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. I've actually watched Sunrise for years. So being here, after watching it so many times on YouTube, yeah, man, it feels like I'm like I say, top tier in this YouTube thing. It's not a joke. The man's got his plaque already. The man's got his plaque already. Don't play no games. All right. So 200 told the next. Oh.
Yeah, man. Quick and fast.
Quick and fast, man.
Yeah, man. Jamaica Sunrise TV. You know, I mean, Instagram. I don't know a Sunrise Jamaica. Where we do a lot of cooking. My style, so maybe you can learn some of my style. You know
what style is it?
My style.
Yardman style.
Yardman style. So see, you know, people looking at it, it's pretty. You can see, say, it start to fry up now and cook. So we're just going to cover the pot now and make the fire and the pot do the work, and then I'm going to line up to catch the next fire to put on the rice. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
The good old charcoal.
Yeah.
So I hear someone cook the rice.
Yeah. I've never seen coal that thick.
Oh, well, this is Jamaica, man.
In England, all of it's like that.
Oh.
If not smaller. So the big chunk. Big chunk. Okay, just use the ends of the pot, yeah.
Yeah. When I cook the rice, you gotta wash it. So I wash it already.
Wash it.
And I have it in some water, soap. So I just get rid of this water.
Okay.
But I just throw it out.
You see the cloudiness, people? Yeah. That's the wash off.
Yeah, man. So see it here now, put it in the pot.
Yeah. Oi oi. Chicken back is cooking nicely.
Yeah, man, then so see chicken back, but right now go and look on the rice pot, no?
Yeah, I true. So what you put inside there? Some scallion?
Yeah, I
little
put
seasoning.
scallion and little pepper, and I throw a little noodle inside it, so the rice have a little nice taste.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Sit there, people. Cook we are cook. Work we are work. Yeah. Rice are gone.
Rice are gone.
Chicken back are gone. Watch out, man.
Yeah, man.
Watch out, man.
And you know, done yet, but look at it already. Pretty.
So the potato and carrot you put in there.
Yeah, some potato and some carrot, babes.
But you see the way he's cut it so it cooks really like easily and nicely. Look at that.
Yeah, man, Yardman style. Look at the gravy. And it don't finish yet. The gravy full of body.
Yeah. And full of flavour.
Yeah. So just leave it to make it simmer down. So by the time the rice done cook, it's ready. So everything ready, same time.
Right there? Oi oi.
Oi oi. Yeah, what's up, babes? You don't know things set. Yeah, man, curry chicken hop. Yeah, man. See that? Looking good. Yeah, man, sunrise style. Yeah, man. See that, you know? This one we need at least 2 more minutes on the fire, less than a minute, and then we take it off and share some food. See the rice here, this piece. Ready, you know? Yeah, man. Yes, you know, see what I'm going. Only thing you want to know is some mouth to eat it off. So here we go on. When you're ready to share some food, I'm going to make you see, but for right now, everything done cook. So soon start share some food, you know.
People, oi oi. So the food's done. Sunrise will share out the food there now. You get me to the rice done there. You get me? And not too much rice for me, you know.
Huh?
Yeah, and not too much rice for me.
Alright.
Yeah, not a big eater, just yeah man. You know some people like to consume big. Me don't like to consume so big. No, little. Little but me tell. Yeah, so rice.
Good old curry.
Sit there. Oi, oi, look at the gravy looking nice. Everything done inside there. Flavor, the smell. Wow. See that? Oi, oi.
So you do it in Yardman style.
Yeah. Gravy on the rice.
Yeah.
Oi, oi. Yo, I'm so excited to try this, people. I'm telling you. Yeah. You see that style there with the chicken fat, with the oil? Yeah. The smell is just drifting off that right now, man, I tell you. Oi, oi. Yeah. Sunrise TV. We have to make
man. Fully active, man. So that's here and this is for you.
Yeah, it's a taste time.
Yes, sir.
That's what we call it. Taste time, people. This is the best part of the whole episode. Not only that I'm excited because a long time I ain't eaten a curry chicken back, but this is Sunrise Boss style. So yeah, I'm excited. We're going for the rice first. The rice jelly. The rice jelly. And that gravy. Wow. Wow. That gravy is different. The flavour in that. Wow. So, chicken back now. I love Jamaica. Alright. And there's many, many reasons why. And this is one of them. This alone. Chicken back. Curry chicken back. Yeah. Wow. You see where the meat and stuff is close to the bone and the fat. Flavour. And where he's cooked it in it and made the gravy. I'm going to be honest. I'm not lying. This is one of the best curries I've ever tasted in my life. I swear down, people. I ain't even lying. There's a reason why Sunrise has got his 100,000 plaque.
Yeah,
there's a reason. If you're coming to Jamaica, people, make sure you check out Sunrise. All his links to contact him on his YouTube, so just go link up on the YouTube and get yourself some curry chicken back. Or you got to link him up and say Sunrise. So you have a place to stay, yes sir?
Yeah, man, the place you know, done fully yet, you know, but you got a place to stay, you see it. Yeah, man.
Well, if you want to live the natural way anyway.
Yeah, man.
So.
See the babes, so we deal with it.
Yeah.
And him said the best, me know so this is not my best.
Yeah.
Curry that I cook, because the curry that you can't come is what brand? It's the first I see that.
I first see me say it as well, you know?
No, man, me
Use
like
the better
you.
pack.
Yeah.
Yeah, but me not see that one there in the shop, so. Curry it makes a big difference on the curry powder, innit? Oh. Mad thing. So you don't know how it works, people. This season's gonna be a little bit different. Cause we're just fully active. No, I'll give you a big up section. Yeah, I'll give you one. We'll do that separately. You know, so for now, we're going to consume chicken back and the rice.
Yeah, that will not
Big up Sunrise.
Yeah, man. Full
Every
man.
time.
You don't know. Him care everything come and he say, he want me to cook it. I'm going to cook it for him, you know what I mean? So you see the next cooking what me going to do for him now, me I go buy up everything that me want. So me know say, yo, the food going up. Although the food up now, but me I tell you, say, so when me got the market and me buy up my season them for cook, me buy up everything. Me know the right brand, me know everything,
Yeah.
you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So yeah man, stay tuned for the next video, we have many more coming.
Definitely. Yo, I just chewed on a bit of ginger. Oi. Yeah, man, so you know how it works. Big up section. And I will see you next time. Oi. Greetings, tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know where to go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance. Boy, yoy! Welcome to season 8, people. You get me? Welcome to the big up section. Yes, we're ready again to kick it off, people. Just do the right thing and make sure you subscribe, like, comment and share. And you see, at this point, we're really pushing the thing now, people, yeah? I need you to tell your friends to tell your friends. And you see, when them friends tell their friends, you got to tell them to tell their friends. Yeah, that's what you got to do, because right now we're not playing any games. We're in season 8. There's bare things are going, all right? We're going to be in Jamaica for a couple of weeks, and then we're going to be in the UK. It's just going to be craziness all over the place, and I'm really going to put the effort in to this season to make sure you get some, just the best cooking vibes you've got so far. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Sunrise TV, boss. Big up yourself, my general. Every time, because you don't know how the thing set. A one link, a one connection. Big up Ras Kitchen, big up Ringo Vision and the whole team. Do you know what I'm saying? Also, big up Tribal Monkey. Tribal Monkey says, I wish people would show my man some more love. He works hard at, even when you could see it was getting to him, and never said it, but I could tell he was reconsidering his career choices. I'm glad he didn't. I'm going to be honest with you, my bro. Big up yourself. There was a point at the season 7 where I was thinking, you got to stick with it sometimes. And I love you lot because you make me stick with it. Yeah, and big up Cool Kid Bex's mum. Says there's something genuine and lovable about M.R. My husband introduced me to Cook and Vibe, and it has grown on me. We look forward to watching your content together in the evenings. Respect and manners. People, my biggest thing this season is to up the production and up the content. So don't ever think that it's a game. Don't ever think we're just going to sit in a one position. You know what I'm saying? So just do the right thing. Tell a friend to tell a friend. It's season 8. Everything will be great as long as you tell your mate. I've already told you. You get me? So, if that's not people, I'll see you next time, man. Woy!